Welcome back to another fun episode of Crafting with Kara. I have 3 exciting Dollar Tree DIY projects for you today. Come watch. First, you're going to need 2 packs of the foam dice from Dollar Tree. You can find these in the children's toy section. Next, I decided to paint 1 coat of the Rust-Oleum chiffon cream. I decided to go in and use my chalk paint to go ahead. I thought maybe 1 coat would do it. Well, I was so wrong. I spent all afternoon painting these dice. I took them outside while my son ate his breakfast. I went in with another coat while my son was in his little pool. I could not believe it. I cannot cover these foam pieces up. Well, while my little dice are drying, I decided to go onto Google Images and print out some buffalo check print because, again, I do not have a Cricut. I went on Google Images, free, and I like this one because it's nice and small. Print preview looks pretty good. I know I'm going to have to size it down, but I like it, so I'm going to print it off. Now I'm just cutting them. I like to round the edges because these are going to go on the faces of my little dice. Alright, so I'm just going in with my apple barrel. This is dark granite. It's a satin acrylic paint just to kind of distress it, make it look like this little block has seen some times. I don't know, make it look a little aged. Yeah, that's what I'm doing here. Alright, next you're going to take the Dollar Tree poster letters, Mod Podge, and your little buffalo check or whatever you choose. I'm going to Mod Podge the buffalo check onto the faces of my little dice. And then I'm going to take the letters and I'm going to put the word home onto my dice. And now introducing the final project. Farmhouse blocks looking so cute. I just love the way they look on my buffet as you walk in the front door. I hope you like this project as much as I did, and it only cost me $5. On to project number 2. You're going to need the Dollar Tree candle holder, your favorite paint, the Dollar Tree butter dish, and 2 packs of salt and pepper shakers. Go ahead and remove the lids and make sure that those salt and pepper shakers fit in the butter dish. Meanwhile, I spray painted my salt and pepper shakers with my favorite paint, this Rust-Oleum, as well as my candle holder and my butter dish. Next, you need 86,000, your hot glue gun, and your favorite greenery. I decided to use this beautiful lavender from Walmart. I think it's about $2.88 a bunch. Alright, next I'm just going to glue the butter dish to the candlestick holder. I'm using hot glue and my 86,000. After I glue the items together, I'm just going to take some twine and tie it around the necks of the bottles and put a little knot in it for embellishment. last but not least, I'm just gonna stick some lavender in the tops of my bottles. And I love this lavender, it's so pretty. And I don't wanna put too much, I just wanna put enough just to kind of make it look full. And now for the final project. Well, here it is, folks, looking so cute again. My little bottle holder lavender carrying plate. I don't know what you want to call it, but whatever you call it, I absolutely love it. It was so much fun making. It's so refreshing. It's so just beautiful. I hope you like this one as much as I did. And now for my final project. I got 1 pack of the mini clay pots from the Dollar Tree. Of course, I got my favorite paint and a handy paintbrush and painted my clay pots. The next thing you're going to need is this item from Amazon. It's a wire frame. However, I just checked today and unfortunately it is unavailable. So you'll have to check back and see when they're back in stock for that one. Then I went ahead and painted my frame. I added some Sharpie designs, made it look like it was chipping. Got a bunch of this baby's breath from Walmart and divided it into 3 sections. Isn't this stuff looking so pretty? Then I took one of these wire looms from the Dollar Tree and made me a very, very lazy wreath. Last, I had this little section from a game that I got from the Dollar Tree for my son. He lost the pieces, so I decided to glue it to my frame. I used hot glue and E6000. E6000? And now for the final product. And here it is, the finished product, looking so cute. It can go anywhere. It can go on a table, a kitchen countertop, or even a windowsill. I love the wire backing and my little tiny wreath that I made. I hope that you enjoyed watching this one as much as I did. It was so easy and so affordable. Well, I hope you liked all 3 of my projects. I know I sure did. And I have much, much more lined up for you guys. Please come back, and thanks. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. All right, bye-bye.